Whether you use sunlight or a lamp for exposure, you should get pretty similar results. And today we're going to use the Solar Art kit, but most kits should give similar results. We need to weigh some water and add it to the bottles for this kit. You can use tap water or distilled water. And give them a gentle shake for a minute or two. We need to mix equal amounts of the A and B chemical ready to coat the paper. And just give them a mix together before you coat your papers. There'll be a link in the description where you can get this paper. Cartridge paper works well if you've got an art shop near you. The idea of coating this way is to get an even coating, left and right, top and bottom. And the idea is to get as much liquid on as possible without any pools and puddles. Once we've gone horizontally, we'll do it vertically to try to even it all out. And this is the colour you want, this limey green. That's the correct colour. And there you can see it's quite a nice even coat. I'll put these in a dark room now until they're bone dry. If you want to do daylight exposures, you can go to this website, and if you click on this link, it should give you approximate timings there. There's also an Android app available, and it's a bit more accurate. Or you can expose using a UV lamp. Once your paper is bone dry, you can assemble your artwork and paper in a clip frame. And this is to prevent any movement during the exposure. You can also use old picture frames from charity shops. Just be careful with the sharp edges on the glass. Sand them or tape them. Once you've assessed the weather conditions, you should decide on your exposure time. Today we'll use the time from the app, but you can use the website time or your own times. So for a comparison, we're doing one exposure with a lamp for 15 minutes and one exposure with the app for 2 minutes 45 seconds. When the exposure is finished, cover your artwork and remove it from the light. This will stop the exposure. When you're ready to wash the print, remove everything from the frame, and all you need is tap water to wash the unexposed chemical out. Should see a little bit of a ghost image before you wash it. It's just clean tap water. If you gently rock it, it should get more contrasty as you wash the chemical out, the unexposed chemical out. And the white areas should be completely white without any yellow or lime greeny colour in there. After a few minutes of washing, remove any excess water with a paper towel and leave it to dry. It should darken further. So the one on the left is exposed with sunlight and the one on the right is exposed with a lamp. Thanks for watching. All links are in the descriptions, and if you have any questions, please put them in the comments.